If you're looking for an affordable home close to Center City, you got to check out my 3-bed, 1.5 bath townhome right here in Manayunk, just blocks from Main Street. Right now I'm on the towpath. I'm going to start walking toward the house. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go inside and see what it's all about. So you can see it's a nice open floor plan, beautiful updated kitchen, nice hardwood floors throughout. And you can see there's a nice half bath located right on the main floor. And then after the first floor, you come upstairs and check out the 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. And in between all the bedrooms, you got the nice full bathroom with a tile shower and awesome skylight. And just a few short blocks walk right down to the main strip here in Manayunk. You can see there are plenty of bars, restaurants, things to do. If you are looking for an affordable home in the area, make sure to reach out to me and schedule your tour.